If I had to start over from zero with AI and make my first $1,000, this is the exact path I'd take. No audience, no budget, no fluff. I'll break it into 5 clear steps in order. And I'll show you the mistakes that keep most people stuck at zero, because avoiding those matters just as much as the steps themselves. Before any steps, one mindset shift that quietly changes everything. Most beginners chase $1,000 as if it's one big lucky event. A single viral video, a sudden flood of sales, a moment where it all just happens. It almost never works that way, and waiting for that moment is exactly why people stay stuck. $1,000 is actually built from small, repeatable wins. A handful of product sales here, a couple of small clients there, stacked patiently over a few weeks. When you stop hunting for the jackpot and start building a simple, repeatable system instead, the number becomes almost boring to reach. And boring is good, because boring is predictable. That single shift, from chasing luck to building a system, is what genuinely separates the people who earn from the people who just keep watching videos about earning forever. Hold on to that idea tightly as we walk through the 5 steps, because every step is designed around it. Why aim for exactly $1,000 and not 10,000 or 100,000? Because your first 1,000 is the hardest and by far the most important money you will ever make online. It's the proof. Once you've earned a genuine $1,000 from complete strangers, something permanent changes in your head. You now know your skill has real value. You know the process actually works. And from that point, 10,000 becomes a scaling problem rather than a belief problem. Aiming way too high too early just creates crushing pressure and leads straight to quitting when reality doesn't match the fantasy. 1,000, on the other hand, is big enough to genuinely matter and prove the model, yet small enough to actually reach in your first real stretch of effort. So we're not going to vaguely hope for it. We're going to deliberately engineer that first 1,000 step by step, using AI to move far faster than you ever could alone. Step 1. Pick your vehicle. The single one way you'll make money first. You have 3 solid options, and you must choose only one. Option 1 is services, like content creation or social media management. This is the fastest route to actual cash, and it needs no audience at all. Option 2 is digital products, like ebooks or templates, slower to get going, but they sell while you sleep once they exist. Option 3 is AI automation for businesses, the highest value per client, recurring monthly, and right now, the least crowded of the 3. Pick one based honestly on your situation. Need money the fastest? Start with services. Want passive income and you have a little patience? Start with products. The genuinely fatal mistake here, the one that kills most beginners, is trying all 3 at the same time and finishing none of them. Choose one vehicle, commit fully to it until you hit your first 1,000, and only then expand. Focus is the accelerator. Step 2. Build one asset with AI. Whatever vehicle you chose, you now need exactly one thing to sell or to show. For services, that's a portfolio sample that proves you can deliver. For products, that's your first ebook, template, or pack. For automation, that's one working setup you can actually demonstrate to a business. Use AI to create it fast, an assistant for the writing, the structure, and the ideas. Design tools for professional packaging that builds instant trust. And listen closely to this. Don't build 10 things. Build one good thing. This single asset is both your proof and your offer at the same time. It's what transforms a vague, forgettable, I do AI stuff into a concrete, compelling, here is exactly what I will give you. Spend a weekend on it. Make it genuinely useful to a real person, and then firmly resist the powerful urge to keep tweaking it forever in private. Done and real beats perfect and hidden every single time. Step 3. Get attention for free. because the best asset in the world earns nothing if no one sees it. You do not need to spend money on ads. You need eyes on your offer, and there are exactly two reliable free engines for that. The first is direct outreach. Message the specific people or businesses who would genuinely benefit, with a personalized note and your asset attached as proof. This works immediately and requires no audience whatsoever. It's the fast engine. The second is content. Post short, faceless videos that teach small pieces of your topic, each one quietly pointing back toward your offer. Outreach gets you sales now. Content builds an audience that buys later and compounds over time. The smart play is to do both at once. Run outreach for fast, immediate results, and simultaneously start posting content for slow, compounding ones. AI makes both genuinely fast because it writes your outreach messages and your video scripts for you. Attention is the fuel, and these are the two free ways to get it flowing. Step 4. Make your first sales, which is the exact point where you stop preparing forever and finally start asking. Make a clear, simple offer and put a real price on it. No vague, maybe someday. For your very first sales specifically, price it low, because right now you are buying proof and testimonials, not trying to maximize profit yet. Reach out to enough people, publish your product to enough places, and fully accept in advance that most of them simply won't respond. And that's completely normal. You only need a small handful of yeses to start the engine. When someone does buy, over-deliver dramatically, give them more than they paid for, and then ask them for two specific things: a short, honest testimonial and a referral to one other person who might want the same. Those two assets make every future sale meaningfully easier. The first sale is far more of a mental wall than a money one, but once you break through it, every sale after feels completely, almost suspiciously, different. Step 5. Stack small wins all the way to 1,000, and here's the relieving part. This stage is simple arithmetic, not magic or luck. If you sell a service at $100, your 1,000 is just 10 clients. A product at $20 is 50 sales. An automation retainer at a couple hundred a month is only a small handful of clients. So map your target backwards into small, countable, concrete wins, and then simply repeat the cycle. Make the offer, deliver brilliantly, collect the testimonial, raise your price slightly, and do it all again. Use AI throughout to handle more volume without burning yourself out in the process. And notice this: each win genuinely makes the next one easier, because your stack of proof keeps growing and your confidence grows with it. Somewhere in that repetition, $1,000 stops feeling like a far-off dream and starts feeling like a checklist you're steadily ticking off. That is exactly what reaching it should feel like. Methodical, not magical. Now, the mistakes that keep people frozen at zero, and if you simply avoid these 5, you're already ahead of the overwhelming majority. Mistake 1. Information hoarding. Endlessly watching videos exactly like this one instead of ever acting on them. Mistake 2. Trying every method at once and therefore finishing absolutely none of them. Mistake 3. Building in secret for months and months, too scared to ever actually make an offer to a real person. Mistake 4. Quitting after just a few days of silence, almost always right before the very first yes would have arrived. And mistake 5. Pricing from fear and chronically undercharging forever, so the work never adds up to anything. Here's the empowering truth underneath all 5. Every one of them is a choice, which means every single one is completely fixable, starting today. The people who reach their first 1,000 are genuinely not the most talented. They're simply the ones who acted, focused, asked, and refused to quit. That, honestly, is the entire secret. Let's lock your roadmap in, clearly, so you leave this video knowing exactly what to do. Step 1. Pick a single vehicle, service, product, or automation, and commit to only that. Step 2. Build one genuinely useful asset with AI. Step 3. Get free attention through direct outreach and consistent content. Step 4. Make your first sales at a deliberately low price to gather proof and testimonials. Step 5. Stack small, repeatable wins, raising your prices as you go until you reach 1,000. And the whole time, ruthlessly avoid those 5 mistakes, especially the deadliest one: quitting during the silence before the reward arrives. None of this requires money you don't have, a degree, permission, or your face on camera. It only requires the decision to actually start and the patience to keep going. The tools are sitting right there, free and more powerful than anything creators had even a few years ago. Your first 1,000 isn't a fantasy, it's a process, and now you're holding the whole thing. If this roadmap gave you clarity, subscribe so the follow-up videos find you, and download my free AI Income Starter Guide in the description. It's the perfect companion to this plan. Tell me which step you're starting on. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm rooting for your first 1,000.